oobleck. As you can tell, it's not very good, but we're gonna make oobleck.
We actually cleaned it now, at least.
Well, we cleaned it, so this is how you make oobleck. So, get your cornstarch, then get a couple spoonfuls, or how much ever cornstarch you want, which that's probably just gonna, scoop that back in, and then you add your water, just enough to cover it. That should be more than enough. And then you get your spoon, and then you make sure everything goes below the water. Okay, this isn't working that well.
It's getting too sticky. You add more water.
Add more water. Make sure everything's
more cornstarch.
Okay.
No, I just make it much faster. Just put the water in the cornstarch.
And now, you just pour out the water. And you got your oobleck. Easy. And if you don't know what oobleck is, when you press hard, it's a solid, but when you do slowly, you sink.
Watch. Demonstration. A fist equal to oobleck. But now, you pick it up, it melts in your hand.
Look. You keep it moving, nothing happens, and then you let it go, and drip, drip.
Drip, drip, drip. It melts. Surprise, surprise. So that's the.
And if you want your cornstarch back, you just let it dry, and yeah. But
be cautious.
It's a mess, so be cautious.
It will stick and it will stay on forever. Just kidding. But it will be very messy. So always have something with you that will clean it up.
Yeah, and we're not even using that.
You're not even using it. So if it falls on your couch or something, then you're doomed.
Oh, you can clean it easily with water since it's starch.
Oh yeah, you're right. Never mind, you're not doomed. But if you're a child and you put it in your couch, your parent comes up, then yeah, there you do. So that's the
oobleck. We're just gonna, play with it
for a while.
Okay. Like and
it's
subscribe
pretty cool.
For an imaginary cookie. Actually, let him finish.
Like and subscribe and get an imaginary cookie.
What cookie should it be?
It should be this. Last time it was snickerdoodles. This time it should be chocolate chip or oatmeal. Oatmeal chocolate chip cookie. We're just making up cookies now. So you keep it moving. It doesn't melt when we stay still.
After a while, it starts not to act like oobleck. All you gotta do, add more water.
God, no, I messed up.
And now you just put it in some water, and boom. I would prefer to, keep a little bit of water in there so it doesn't dry out. As you can see, now it's better.
Yeah, it's dripping. Alright, that's pretty cool. So, now you know the way how to make oobleck. I'm pretty sure you can put as much oobleck or as much water or cornstarch as you want, but...
No.
Or, never mind.
Tell me what to do next, because right now this is,
it's messy, so do not do what we just did. but this is one way how to make a mess. Oh my god. If you guys were here to touch it, then it would feel great. But now it gets sticky.
Yeah, and all we have is a little bit more water to clean it off of us. Well, bye.
Bye bye.